A news attitude is the new attitude. Igraasp.
Food delivery giant Swiggy has recently announced that they will soon be using drones to replenish inventory between seller-run stores and drop points. This is a part of a first of its kind real-world trial in India, where drones will be used to accelerate the process of grocery delivery. Garuda Aerospace, an Indian drone manufacturer based in Chennai, are in charge of making the drones which can fly at a top speed of 75 km per hour and carry up to 15 kgs of payload. We look forward to seeing them in action soon.
Bollywood actor and filmmaker Farhan Akhtar is all set to enter the Marvel Cinematic Universe as he will be making his debut with Disney Plus series Miss Marvel. Details regarding the character are under wraps, though it is rumored that he will be a guest appearance for a few episodes. Interestingly, actor Fawad Khan is also a part of the same series. Miss Marvel is set to premiere on 8th of June and introduces Iman Vellani as Kamala Khan, a Muslim American growing up in Jersey City. Do check out the promos and other details about this show online.
Picnics have been banned in large parts of northern Rome as health authorities seek to crack down on wild boar population after African swine fever was detected in a deceased animal. African swine fever is fatal to pigs and wild boar but harmless to humans, and this is the first time a case has been identified in the Italian capital. This has prompted the government to appoint a special health official to impose measures to eradicate the illness. Did you know that Rome is home to nearly 23,000 wild boars, and they are often seen eating from bins and even attacking people at night? We do hope the authorities are able to find a solution to this emergency.
The word of the week is appreciate. To admire or understand something fully. This week, let us appreciate our parents for supporting us during the pandemic. The riddle of the week is, how do you make the number 1 disappear? By adding the letter G, 1 becomes gone.
Can you guess who? This British singer has won a total of 15 Grammy Awards and one Oscar Academy Award for her original songs. She holds 3 Guinness World Records for keeping her songs at number 1 on international charts for 21 weeks. Her most popular song is called Someone Like You. Yes, it is Adele. Did you know that her song Skyfall is the only James Bond musical theme to have won an Oscar to date, finally getting its due as an iconic theme?
Did you know that rainbow grasshoppers are found in the rainforests of North America? These remarkably beautiful creatures are a highly endemic species. Their skin is made of vibrant colors, including patterns of yellow, red, and green over a dark black skin. These arthropods, with an average length of about 20 to 35 millimeters, don't have any wings. However, their brightly colored bodies don't attract predators and help them to camouflage easily.
Quiz time! Which German entomologist was the first to describe rainbow grasshoppers in the year 1843? Send your answers to contact us at igraasp.com along with your full name, school name, and a photograph. Answer to the last week's quiz. The condition in outer space which causes the astronauts to appear taller and feel weightless due to almost zero gravity is called microgravity. This certificate of appreciation is presented to Naman Kaushik of the Khaitan School, Noida, for successfully participating in the weekly quiz on India's leading news capsule for tweens, Igraasp.
Dear iGraspers, this week let us learn more about the Second World War with Goodnight, Mr. Dog. Join William a young boy who is evacuated to the countryside to take care of an elderly widower named Tom. Over the course of this book, these two individuals form a unique bond and learn to take care of each other. Will Williams be able to adapt to a life of happiness and freedom? Read this book and share your feedback at igraasp.com/iClub.
Igraasp, making kids future ready.